Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how you can record videos with OBS. So this is just going to be like a basic tutorial really. But basically what you do to start recording is you just click start recording. But if you want to like go into the settings to adjust the video settings and whatnot, you just go to settings like I just did. And then here you can adjust like the resolution, and then you could adjust the FPS here, or the frames per second. 60 is usually one of the smoothest, but if like your computer can't handle it, for example, you could just use like 30. Then output, I usually don't mess with this much. I just have it in like high quality. But if you want me to go more in depth about the settings, I'll gladly do another video about it. These are basically just, I guess you could think of them as like folders that contain sources. The scenes contain the sources. So basically I have a scene that I just decided to call desktop. And then in the source, which is what's in here, I basically just clicked on the plus, and then I went to display capture. You could also do like window capture. And of course the scenes, like I was talking about earlier, if you ever want to create a new one, just click on this. Then you could create a new one. And like I said, they're basically just folders for the sources. And there's the delete button, so you just delete them. And yeah, that's about it. Just a very basic guide, but hopefully it helps at all. Thanks for watching.